Good morning, students. Now today you have to reach elementary canal. Elementary canal is the whole parts starting from mouth to anus. Now buccal cavity, that is mouth. Our mouth is called buccal cavity, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and rectum, anus. Now these are the 7 parts come in alimentary canal, that is the parts starting from mouth to anus. Now these parts associated with glands form the digestive system, that is salivary gland present in our mouth, liver and pancreas. These are the glands associated with these alimentary canal forms the digestive system. Now we have to read one by one, that is part of alimentary canal, that is about buccal cavity. First part, that is the buccal cavity. Now in mouth we have 2 main parts, that is teeth and tongue. There are 2 main parts, that is teeth and tongue. At first we see about the teeth. There are 4 types of teeth. First, the front teeth, 4 upper and 4 in lower jaw, both are the incisor. 4 upper and 4 lower teeth are called incisor, and their function is to bite and cut the food. You bite your biscuit or any food items with these teeth, that is incisor. Now just beside the incisor there is the canine. Here canine is just present near the incisor. There are 2 canines, one here and one here, and one here and one here. Now there are 4 canines present in our body, in our mouth. Now these canines are used for tearing the food. Now third, molar. Just near the canine there are 2 teeth in here, 2 teeth here, 2 teeth here. Now in each jaw there are 4 teeth of premolar. In upper jaw also there are 4 teeth premolar, which are called premolar. So now there are 8 teeth premolar, and the last 3 teeth here and here last 3, that is in lower jaw there are 6 teeth and in upper jaw there are 6 teeth. Now total 12 teeth are the molar teeth. Premolar and molar are used to grind the food. Now you have known about the types of teeth and their function. There are 4 types of teeth, and what are their number you have understood, that is there are 8 incisors, 4 canines and 8 premolars and 12 molars. Now our teeth is the bony structure, and it is made up of calcium and phosphorus, and it is covered with a protective layer that is made of magnesium, calcium and protein, that is called the enamel. Enamel protects our teeth from outer injury. If it is destroyed, then our teeth is decayed. So we should have to protect our enamel so that our teeth is protected. Now you know that there are two shades of teeth present in our life. That is first shade temporary teeth and second shade that is permanent teeth. First temporary teeth that is milk teeth, and when child born and after 6 months milk teeth starting to come in his or her mouth, and it is 20 in number, and permanent teeth after 5 or 6 years milk teeth are broken, and instead of milk teeth there is the teeth coming in mouth called the permanent teeth, and its number is 32. Now there are two sets of teeth, that is milk teeth and permanent teeth. Milk teeth is 20 in number, permanent teeth is 32 in number. And what are the types of teeth and how many teeth are present in different types and what are their function, you have understood very well. Now the tongue is also present in our mouth, that is the muscular part of our buccal cavity. Now there are 4 types of taste bud present. First sweet, salty, then sour, then in last bitter taste bud. And our taste is done by any body flavor is tasted by our tongue, because taste buds are present in our tongues. Our tongue is the sense organs also, and it tastes the different flavor of the food, and it helps in chewing the food and in speaking, in giving, talking or laughing. Now tongue is an important muscular organ in our buccal cavity. Okay, now next, that is esophagus and stomach, we will discuss in next class.